In this video, I'll show you how to draw a trend line on Tradingview. First, sign in to your Tradingview account and open the chart of the stock, cryptocurrency, forex pair, or other asset you want to analyze. Before drawing your trend line, choose a time frame that matches your trading strategy, since trend lines can look very different on short-term and long-term charts. Next, locate the left-hand toolbar and click the Trendline tool. If you don't see it immediately, click the Trendline Tools menu to expand the available drawing tools, then select Trendline. After that, click on the chart where you want the trend line to begin, then click again where you want it to end. Try to connect 2 or more significant swing highs for a resistance trend line or 2 or more swing lows for a support trend line. As you move the line, Tradingview will automatically extend it across the chart, helping you visualize the overall direction of the market. Now, click on the trend line to edit it if needed. You can drag either endpoint to adjust its position or open the Settings menu to change the color, thickness, line style, and extension options. Take a moment to make sure the trend line aligns with the price action as accurately as possible. If you're analyzing multiple trends, repeat the process to draw additional support and resistance lines on the same chart. Finally, save your chart layout so your trend lines remain available the next time you open the chart. Continue monitoring how price reacts around your trend lines and adjust them whenever new highs or lows develop to keep your analysis up to date. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to draw a trend line on Tradingview. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.